Sorry, this is one bedroom apartment in Bur Dubai behind Musalla Tower. It's in OPC area. It's not a spacious apartment, it's a small apartment but good for single family. It has balcony. It has a big balcony. You can sit even, you can put chairs and table here. This is washroom here. This is small closed kitchen. This is the room. That was in the hall. This is the room. It has a central AC. But this is for a good apartment for the small single family. Like if you have two sharing family, so there will be privacy because the room and hall, they are close from each other, so you can put like two families, they can share the apartment.